Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peace Crafts. I hope that you are having a fabulous Sunday. It is sunny where I am, and I hope that you are experiencing some good weather too. I know it's football Sunday, and I don't know if you're watching a game, if you're at a game, or you're entertaining a crowd for a game. But I did a haul yesterday, and I cut it short because I felt like I had too many things in there. And so I decided to come along today and do the rest of that haul along with a couple of other things. Now, as I always say, and I truly mean it from the bottom of my heart, Paper Peace Craft thanks every subscriber, viewer, commenter, all of you that continue to return to hear and see what I create, my laughs, my fun. For me, Paper Peace Crafts is just that. I find peace in working with the paper, doing the crafting, and I think that so many of you do too. Fall is coming up, and I've started working on some of my projects for fall. Plus, I still have all of my other things that I'm doing. But like I said, one of the things I still love to do is the hauls. So let me go ahead and show you the rest of what I had yesterday, along with what I had another day, so I can kind of bring everything up to speed a little bit, okay? Now, one of the things I have loved that I have found has been this hot press watercolor paper. One of the things I love about it, it is 12 by 16. I can use this to do, yes, watercolors. I can use this for multiple things. First, I had to double check that this book wasn't filled with imagery. And what I love about it is, believe it or not, it's only 12 sheets of paper, and it is 140-pound paper. Now, I'm turning it to the side. This dropped something. Wow, only me. It's too thick to run through my printers, but it's not too thick for me to work on other things and then break it down. But the fact that it is 12 by 16, 140 pounds, it's hot press watercolor paper. This is a really nice pad to go along with mixed media arts, okay? And by the way, it's $2.99. Here's something else that I found that I think is really helpful for a lot of people. This is Jolie's glitter transfer sheet. It's only 3 of them in the pack, but it's glitter for like your navy blues, your blacks, your dark colors. What's good about this is if you're a person that doesn't own heat presses, you can take, I'm sorry for the glare, you can take this, print whatever your image is using your inkjet printer, and then use your iron to transfer it to whatever garment you like. Now, unfortunately, in this pack, it's only 3 transfer sheets. And I got this for $1. I think it was $1. And a while back, I hauled some Make It sheets where there were 10 of them in there for $1. This is totally different because it has the glitter on it. But this is wonderful. Like I said, once again, if you're a person that wants to get into doing some transfers on your t-shirts, your sweatshirts with the fall kicking in, and you don't want to purchase a heat press, you got a printer, you got an iron, here you go. 3 of these for $1 at Ollie's. I know several of us have found the Astro Brights, and one of the things that I continue to try to do is find the 12 by 12s. Yes, I do crafting, but sometimes I might do some printing on these for sale. This pack is metallic, and this can be used for your backing. You can use it for a lot of stuff. And this one has 3 different colors in it, and it is 65 pounds in weight. There are 36 sheets in here. You get 3 different colors. Has the metallic finish on it. This is something I really like a lot. Because it's only 36 sheets in here, it's $2.99. Cannot miss out on color block paper. You know, at first people were under the impression it was flimsy. This is 66 pounds. This was $1.99. This is a 12 by 12. What I like about this is that there's a mixture of hues of blue. And as you can hear, it's not a flimsy paper. So I only found a couple of these, but I still snagged it, right? It was $1.99. I picked up, I have to say this correctly, some Recollections glitter cardstock. Now I hauled one that was similar to this once before, but I got some more because it seems like this has like that chunky glitter look to it. Everyone, please forgive me. I had to take that call. But I was talking about this chunky glitter cardstock. Good weight. This was 25 cents per sheet. So I grabbed some, I want to say I grabbed some more of these, but I grabbed some of these because it's different. Also, I found several more packs of this basil cardstock. It's 25 cents, 25 sheets in the pack, and these were $2.99. So I grabbed some of these. Then I shifted over to Michael's. I'm not a person that shops in Michael's frequently, more than I do Hobby Lobby and other places. Nonetheless, I still go to Michael's. And like a lot of you, I end up with rewards points. Now, as I stated before, I'm not, I like the colors of Halloween, but I'm not one that usually prepares a lot of things for Halloween. But when I went into Michael's, they were having a sale on their Halloween items. I think it's maybe 60% off. My rewards points from Michael's, I had $25. So, I took and spent a lot of time in Michael's trying to find things within that $25 so I wouldn't come out of any of my own funds. I looked up and snagged this Alice Adventures, and I really do like this particular paper pad. First of all, if you don't know, I really love the card theme, okay? I'm going to go through this, and I'm sure you've probably seen it before. This is, even in the mischief of the Mad Hatter here, it still is a really, really cute pad, okay? I'll show you some of the pad. I like this. There's only 2 pages per image. This is pretty to me. I love this. I like this. Gorgeous. And if I go back to this one, even if I don't use it now, I can use it for Christmas. Yeah, there's 2 in here. This has velvet on it. What is this? Is this okay? This has velvet on it. There's 2 sheets of this. Cute. I love this. And this is foil. Love this. Love it. This is nice. Look at the beautiful foil on there. And this has velvet on it. I think I snatched a sheet out so I could show. This is embossed, and it has embossed. Well, I don't know if it's embossed. It feels like it is a little bit. And it could be the imprint from the velvet on the front, but this is nice. I picked this pad because, I don't have to necessarily just use it for Halloween, okay? I love this. I really do love this pad, okay? Another pad I got was Grateful Gatherings by Craftsmith. Let me try to go down a little bit so you can see. And I apologize for the shaking a little bit. This is some heavy paper too. This is cute. I might just do a video one day of just going through. Oh, this is nice. It's got, see that? Oh, going through the papers. I can't promise it, but because I'm trying so hard to get through the other ones, this is nice. But this is really nice for fall here. As you can tell how they're getting away from me, these are really nice, thick papers. It's cute. I like this a lot. Okay, that's one. Move this to the side. And then I got, did I get 1 or 2 of those? Okay, then I turned around and I got this one. I like this a lot. Let me come up some. I like this a lot. Hold hold on one second. These were the buy one, get one half off at Michael's. And so that applies to the Craftsmith. The only one that wasn't, it was like 60% off, was the Recollections Alice Adventures. But I had been seeing this, and I don't recall them having a 12 by 12. And so I said, okay, oh well. But I wanted it. So I ended up getting 2 of these. I am in love with this sheet and this sheet, and I haven't even covered the rest of it yet. This is nice. I love butterflies. I love collage types of sheets. It's nice. Like that. Love that. Love this. Love this. It's nice. This is a nice paper pad. If they have 12 by 12, I think I'll do is go online and see if they have 12 by 12, and I might end up purchasing it. But I ended up getting 2 of these. And then with the remainder, I got 2 of these. I got 2 of these. And then I got this paper that I'm about to show you. I got 1, 2, I got 3 of these sheets. Now, we have the World Tour paper. Well, the World Tour paper pad. And it made me think about this in terms of either some ephemera or making something else to go along with it. I got 3 of these sheets. I really like this a lot. And we know it goes without saying my love for vellum, right? So I got 1, 2. I got 4 of these sheets. And so I can just use these in abundance in different ways. For me, the reason I'm showing you this, hold on, I have one more thing that I got. Sorry. I ended up getting 2 rolls of this washi tape. This is the Halloween washi tape that was 60% off. The reason I am showing you those things that I got from Michael's too is a lot of times we take and we let our points and our rewards dollars expire. So I got the 3 tour sheets, the vellum script sheet, 2 Craftsmiths, Grateful Gatherings, and 2 Academas, Dark Academia, and 2 rolls of the washi tape. And by the time the discounts for Michael's had applied, and then I took and applied my $25 for rewards points, I walked away not spending a single thing. Now, we just got a Daiso in our area. And before that, I had never gone to a Daiso. I'm going to be candid. I've never, ever in my entire life gone to a Daiso. And so I walked in there. I had to figure out the pricing and all of that. But when I was in there, there were a couple of things that I found. So I found this bag, 16 in them. Well, these bags with 16 in them. This was $2.25. I got this. I found these sealing waxes. I picked them up because of the fall coloring. Once again, these were $2.25. I just thought they were cute. I got this stamp. I thought this was cute. All these things that I'm showing you are $2.25. I thought that was really interesting. Now, I like that. I like this a lot because, you can use this. I think these are numbers. They're numbers. I like that for fill-ins, right? Then I got like this little punch. I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but it looks like it's for corners, and I might be able to use it when I'm doing bookmarks and other things that you need a really quick corner. But I got these things for $2.25. Now this concludes this haul. Now here's the thing. As I pick things up throughout the week, I tend to find that I might have 2 or 3 items. And what I believe I'm going to start doing is do random haul videos in the midst of my other videos, because I don't want to go so long or take up too much time trying to do just one video all together. And if you agree or disagree, let me know one way or the other. Another thing too, last week I did an impromptu giveaway and I showcased all of the winners. I still have this person that needs to claim their prize. Again, for those of you that may not have seen it, there's a video on it. You have to be in that particular video. You have to comment in that video in order to be one of the winners. In that video, I'm giving away one Jen Hadfield Heart Home or Heart Loves Home pad. And I'm giving away this Jolie's Fleur-de-Lis wreath. So the winner has to claim their prize by Wednesday, October the 1st. If the person does not claim their prize by providing me with their email address or their mailing information sent to the email address noted in the video, then I have to move on to another person. That being said, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to Paper Peace. I hope you enjoy your Sunday. If you're not watching football and you're crafting, I hope you're having a peaceful time doing so. Take care and thank you.